Hey everyone, this is Natasha. I'm the creator, designer, and tutor at My Creative Butterfly. I've been crocheting for over 20 years now. I design crochet patterns from beginner till advanced levels. I also take online and offline crochet classes. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram under the handle My Creative Butterfly. Also, you can check out the website www.mycreativebutterfly.com to see more of my work.
Today we'll learn to make these leaf earrings. For this pattern, the material required is size 20 crochet cotton thread. I am using a leaf green color, 0.75 mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, tapestry needle, jewelry pliers, jewelry chain in golden color, any thickness would do, jump rings. I am using a 6 mm. You can use any size that you can get your hands on. I am also using glass bead laurels in white color. You can have any other color if you want, and earring hooks, that too in golden color. Let's get started with the pattern. First we'll make 10 chains. Now make a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Again make 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch at the base of the 3 chains. Just take care where I have inserted the hook. Make a slip stitch, that's a picot. Now again make a double crochet in the same chain, make 2 chains and a slip stitch in the same chain again. Now a slip stitch in the next chain to complete the first leaf. Now make 5 chains. Again make a double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Do a picot, that is 3 chains and slip stitch at the base. One more double crochet. Oops. Two chains and a slip stitch. Now make 5 chains again. We'll repeat the same thing. Double crochet in the third chain from the hook. A picot. Another double crochet, 2 chains and slip stitch. Now make 5 chains again. Repeat the same process. Double crochet in the third chain, picot, again a double crochet, 2 chains and slip stitch. Now make slip stitch in the next 2 chains. Now we are going to work on the second set of the leaflets. So we'll be working on the other side of the leaf. Make slip stitches in 3 of the chains. When you get to the base of the first leaf, make 3 chains. Then repeat the same process. Double crochet in the third chain, picot, again a double crochet, 2 chains and slip stitch in the same stitch. Again continue with slip stitches. Make slip stitches in the next 3 stitches. Make 3 chains, double crochet in the third chain, a picot. Whenever I say picot, it means 3 chains and a slip stitch at the base. Double crochet, 2 chains and a slip stitch in the same chain. Now slip stitch at the base and slip stitch in the next 2 chains. Make a slip stitch at the base of the last leaf now. Again 3 chains, we'll make the last leaf. Double crochet in the third chain, picot, two chains and slip stitch. Now slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the remaining 6 chains that you can see. Make sure not to skip any of the chains. You need to have 6 slip stitches here. That's it, you are done with the leaf. Cut off the thread and secure the last loop. Once done, just knot the two ends together and weave them in. Repeat the entire process again to make one more leaf for the earrings. Now let us assemble the earring. First, take a very small piece from the chain, around 1 inch would do. Open one of the jump rings. Hold it with the pliers, that will make it easier for you to work. Now just add 8 to 10 laurels to the jump ring that you have just opened. You can increase or decrease the number of laurels as per your choice. Once you are done with the laurels, attach that piece of chain with the last chain link to the same jump ring. Now close it to secure everything in place. Now repeat the same process with the second jump ring. Attach this jump ring to the other end of the chain. Now we'll attach the hook to the earrings. Open the bottom loop of the hook. Add the chain to it. We'll not add the chain at the center chain link. We'll make one of the ends longer and one of the ends slightly shorter so that both the laurel ends lie one below the other and they don't overlap with each other. You can have it longer or shorter as per your choice. For me, I had around 7 chain links and I added the hook to the third one. Now attach the leaf motif. Just insert the motif, the hook ring should go in between the stitches. Close it. That's it, you are done with the first earring. Repeat the same steps for the second one and you are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.